everybody, this is Kim with Kim's Gems. Welcome back to my channel. I have some new glitters that I wanted to share with you. They are for sale. They're new glitters that I have not had before, so I'm really excited. These are out of the Fairy Fantasy collection. These are the hot pink with green undertone dots, 3mm. They are gorgeous. And that's what they look like. They are beautiful. Then I also got them in the 1mm. Sorry, I bumped the camera. I also got them in the 1mm. Look at this. Oh man, they're so pretty. Very pretty. Okay, these are, I had to tack on an extra 50 cents to cover the price of what I paid for them. If I didn't tack on the extra 50 cents, then I wouldn't like break even with what I've paid for them. So I am, instead of tacking on to the ounce, I tacked it on to the half an ounce. So it is $1.50 for a teaspoon. It is $5 for a half ounce, and they are $9 an ounce. Okay, then all of these are the same price. It is $1.50 a teaspoon, $5 a half an ounce, and $9 for a whole ounce. But these are the cool new glitters. These are the Gold Hollow Lightning Bolts, 2mm. Then I have the Black Hollow Lightning Bolts, 2mm. Then I have the dark blue, holographic dark blue lightning bolts, 2mm. Then I have the purple holographic lightning bolts, 2mm. Then I have the light blue lightning bolts, and they are 2mm. They are just so cute. Then I have the matte black lightning bolts. Then I have the matte blue lightning bolts. And I have the matte pink lightning bolts. The matte red lightning bolts. I have the matte strawberry lightning bolts, strawberry pink lightning bolts. And the other's like a baby pink, and this is like a strawberry pink. Then I have the white, matte white lightning bolts. And then I have the matte yellow lightning bolts. All the glitters I showed you in this video are $1.50 a teaspoon, $5 for a half an ounce, and $9 an ounce. If you are interested, email me at kimdhightower70@gmail.com. I'd be more than happy to get you some of these glitters. Yeah, I have several other videos to make on glitters. I will get them made as soon as I can. Yeah, Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.